Alright, let's see if y'all can get used to driving this. If you just watch, you'll see how the different controls work. When backing out of the yard, do not make abrupt turns. Abrupt turns will tear up the grass. The controls on this Caterpillar skid steer loader are 2-hand controls. Left hand controls all your driving. So this would go right, and then that would go left, backwards, straight back, straight forward. Auxiliary controls, this is the horn. The right hand is all of your arm controls. Pull back on the lever and you lift your boom up. Push forward on the lever and you lower the boom. This will curl your boom up, and this will lower your boom down. Your grapple controls are right here. Squeeze these, and that will close and open the grapple. Now if I pull this trigger right here, that's going to put me in rabbit mode. And that little rabbit just popped up. Now that rabbit's going to mean everything is going to work a lot faster. So I'll take that back off. You have a full-time snail mode right here. If I hit that button, and terrain control, air conditioning, heating, fan speed. Then this is to turn on the rabbit mode, or I can turn it off where I cannot turn the rabbit on. This is the bucket leveling button. The bucket leveler will keep my bucket level when I'm on grade. My headlights are here. This is the override for my hydraulic system. This is what allows me to unlock the pressure lock in the hydraulics, and then this will unlock the whole entire grapple attachment. Alright guys, look at this. This is soft shell turtle. Let me see if I can get him. Are you scared of snakes? Be careful with these guys. Oh yeah. Once again, we're up here in the treetops, trimming trees and doing tree work. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.